Hello, in this video we are going to see an example of how to open an URL. So, this is my under test directory we have Selenium wrapper and nRoBo methods package, and we have file test and nRoBo methods, and let's create a new class test and nRoBo Selenium wrapper methods, and then create a So first we need page object. From page is import page class, and then define our test method underscore open URL. Get driver and logger instance automatically that are created by nRoBo, and added page is equal to page. Let's create page object, pass in driver and logger instance, and call it get method, and pass in URL. So this is the way we can open URL. Add a top string, example of how to open an URL. Let's run the test. Copy test and icon K, and then test method name. That's it. Let's run the test. So your test started running, and browser instance created, open URL. That's it. Thank you.